I did the back row yesterday. I know I've got some whip this on the first drop and things. With the an excellent B&M Invert though. Although yesterday it did feel a little bit more ratty than last time I rode it. See what it feels like today.
Here we go! That was running much better than yesterday.
Yeah, I didn't find it as messy as yesterday.
That was amazing how I
mean, yesterday it was actually on the back road, and that made it if you feel one from the back now, what made it?
It's running so much better.
Yeah.
Maybe it's because it's warmer, I don't know.
Yeah. Well, that was an excellent ride on Oziris.
Myself and Chloe just had a ride on Oziris. Well, I'll tell you what, that was running so much better today than yesterday. Wowza, that is the Oziris I remember. I don't know if it's because it's warmer today. I don't know, but it is running fantastic. Definitely my #1 invert.